Hi, uh, my name is I'm born and raised in Cambodia. I came to this country by the refugee almost 30 years ago. I would like to introduce to you about American muffler. It's not like I like to take advantage to this country, nothing like that. American muffler comes from I owe a gratitude to this country, to American people that brought me here as a refugee with a pair of clothes. So I'm very appreciative for that this country brought me. So, and then I always think one day, someday, somehow, I like to pay it back what I owe. That's why 15 years ago, I started this muffler business, so I put American muffler. That's how it's coming from. And then I do a lot of saving discount to the customer because I think if anybody have a hard time to find something to fix the car, have not enough money, do that. That's why I like to do a little bit different from somebody. For example, if you don't want to replace the whole thing, you can have 3 or 4 options. You know, from 150, you don't have like that, you have like 75. If you don't have 75, you have $40, $30 to where to stop noise. We do all kinds of things to make sure what you pay for, you're going to be happy about it. And then I say, I am a muffler man. But I'm not just say like that. I make a muffler man. I make 2 over here. One is I put over here in Rhode Island, Crankstone, Rhode Island. And another one I bring to the state of Connecticut, Wallingford, Connecticut. We have 4 places in Connecticut. One is Park Avenue, Bridgeport, Park Avenue, Connecticut. And the second is New Haven, Connecticut. The third is Waterbury, Connecticut. And the fourth, Wallingford, Connecticut. And then I think I like to expand the business to Crankstone or Rhode Island. That's why I come here 5 months ago. Hopefully we do well here. Stop by. Thank you. Take care.